Okay, good morning students. In last class, we discussed the concept of the components of a national income. So, the components are in the sense, okay, the parts which are included in the national income. So, the components are, the first one is consumption, next investment, and the government expenditure, and net foreign income. So usually here we are denoting the consumption with a C, the investment with I, and the government expenditure with G, and as well as net foreign income with X minus M. So here X minus M refers here exports minus imports. So jointly we can say it as a GNP, gross national product. Okay, like GNP or the Y is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. So this is the formula, right, of the national income. So now we are going to discuss most important topic in this unit. It's very important for 10 marks question. Okay na, so major 10 marks ki చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకేనా, చాలా సింపుల్గా కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఆల్రెడీ నేను క్లాస్లో మీకు చెప్పాను. సో చాలా తక్కువ టైంలోనే దాదాపు ఈ 10 మార్క్స్ సంబంధించిన కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో బేసికలీ నౌ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ హియర్ ద క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్. Calculating methods of national income. Okay, calculating methods of national income. Okay, here the government of India is adopting the two methods to measure the national income. Okay, those are income and output method. So what are the methods are in force to compute or to estimate or to calculate the national income? Okay, let us know about them. There are three methods are there to compute the national income. So అడగొచ్చు ఆన్సర్ ఏ విధంగా అడగొచ్చు, రైట్? ఎస్టిమేటింగ్ మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్, క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్ అండ్ మెజర్మెంట్ మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్. ఏ రకమైన క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చినా ఇదే వస్తుంది. సో మేజర్గా 2 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి 10 మార్క్స్ కి సంబంధించి. అందులో వస్తే గిస్తే కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్ అని రావాలి. మెజారిటీగా మనకు వచ్చే క్వశ్చన్ మాత్రం క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ మెథడ్స్ వస్తుంది. ఇది 95% వస్తే అది 5% వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో ఇది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ 10 మార్క్స్. ఇది కాన్సెప్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి మనకి 10 మార్క్స్ మన యొక్క జేబులో ఉన్నట్లే. ఓకేనా, సో వి calculating methods of national income. Hey, there are 3 methods. The first one is output method or product method. Okay, the first method is output method or product method. Okay, it is also known as inventory method. Inventory method. Okay, inventory method or commodity service method or commodity service method. Okay, so basically this output method or product method is also known as inventory method or commodity service method. Okay, in this method we find the market value of the goods and services, okay, produced in a country for the period of 1 year. Okay, the entire output of the final goods and services is multiplied with their market prices. సో ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి ఒక వాటి యొక్క ఏదైతే గూడ్స్ అండ్ సర్వీసెస్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుతున్నాయో, ఓకే, హియర్ we are getting the productivity from various sectors, like we are having the three sectors: primary and secondary and tertiary sectors. Okay, from these three sectors we are obtaining the output. Okay, ఏదైతే మనం obtain అయినటువంటి అవుట్పుట్ ఉంటుందో, రైట్, to compute the national income we have to multiply the quantity of the goods and services with their market prices, then we will get the value of the national income. So in this method if we want to obtain the national income, right, we use the following formula, that is GNP is equal to, so formula GNP anna national income anna okate anడి, GNP is equal to P1 into Q1 plus P2 Q2 plus so on up to plus Pn Qn. Okay, Pn into Qn plus net income from abroad plus net income from abroad, income from abroad. Okay, so this is the formula, right, in output method. So P1 into Q1 plus P2 Q2 plus dash up to so on plus Pn Qn plus net income from abroad. So where GNP is equal to, so GNP is equal to gross national product, gross national product. So here GNP refers the gross national product, and here P is equal to, so here the P is equal to prices of the goods and services, prices of goods and services produced. Okay, next Q is equal to quantities of goods and services produced. Okay, and we are coming to 1 dash 2 dash to n is equal to various the goods and services produced. Okay, various goods and services produced. So my dear friends, here this is about the output method. In this output method just we are taking the final goods only, right? Semi-finished goods are not taking into consideration of the computing of the national income under output method. Just finished goods only take into consideration. Okay, the formula in output method to get the gross national product is P1 Q1 plus P2 Q2 plus up to so on plus Pn Qn plus net income from abroad. Okay, just we are multiplying the prices with the quantities. P1 into Q1, so P into Q, price with the quantity. So ee rakamga manaki we will get the GNP. So with the help of this formula. So ikkada video part is complete method raseskondi. Okay, next income method. Next method is income method, and last one is expenditure method. Okay, three methods are there: output method, income method, and expenditure method. So now we are going to discuss about the income method. Right? the second method, income method. Income method, right? In this method, we are taking and we are aggregating, we are summating the income of the factors of production. Okay, basically here income is receiving by the factors of production. How many factors of production are there? There are 4 factors of production, namely land, labor, capital and organization. So these are the 4 factors of production. Okay, for the land we are paying the landlord is getting an income in the form of the rent. Labor is getting the income in the form of wages, and creditor is getting the income in the form of interest, and organizer, right, is getting the income in the form of the profits. So here when we summate, right, when we include all the incomes which are received by the factors of production, right, we will get నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్. సో అందరి యొక్క ఇన్కమ్స్ కలిపితే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది, మొత్తం దేశం యొక్క ఇన్కమ్ అనేది వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ వీఆర్ యాడింగ్ the incomes of the factors of production. So the formula is there in income method. National income NI is equal to, okay na, NI is equal to R plus W plus I plus P. So this is the formula. This is the formula in income method. Okay, just we are adding the income of all the factors of production. 4 factors ఉన్నాయి, 4 factors యొక్క income మనం ఏం చేసాం, ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేసాం. ఈ యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది, నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్ వచ్చింది. వేర్ NI is equal to national income. Okay, next R is equal to rent. Okay, next W is equal to here the wages. Next I is equal to interest. Next P refers here profit. Okay, so this is about the income method. So ఈ అన్ని యొక్క ఇన్కమ్స్ కూడా మనం ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తే, రైట్, we will get the national income. So మనకి ఈ ఇన్కమ్ మెథడ్ లో మనకు ఉన్నటువంటి ఫార్ములా నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు R plus W plus I plus P, where NI is equal to national income, R is equal to rent, W is equal to wages, I is equal to interest and P is equal to profit. So this is the another method to compute the national income. So note on this. వీడియో పాజ్ చేసి రాసేసేయండి. Okay, next the last method, right, we are going to discuss the last method, that is expenditure method. Okay now, so expenditure method. Okay, the last method is expenditure method. Third one, expenditure method, right? In this method, under income method lo em chepnam, just to be summate all the incomes of the factors of production. So here expenditure method lo we are summating the the total expenditure of the society. Okay, here the society is consist of the three sectors like households, firms and the government. Okay, households, families, okay, government and firms, right, the organizations which are selling the products. సో వీటన్నింటినీ మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే ఇక్కడ మనం యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది అంటే ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ మెథడ్లో మనం ఇక్కడ మనం ఈ యొక్క నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్ మనం పొందవచ్చు. సో మేజర్గా చూసుకుంటే జస్ట్ వీఆర్ యాడింగ్ హియర్ ద ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ ఆఫ్ హౌస్ హోల్డ్స్ and expenditure of the firms and expenditure of the government, and we adding the exports value also. Net exports also should be added for the expenditure of the above two sectors. So ikkada chusukunte in expenditure method we are having the formula, right? National income is equal to EH plus EF plus EG plus net exports. Net exports. So this is the formula under the expenditure method where national income is equal to, so NI is equal to national income. National income. Next, here EH is equal to expenditure of households, expenditure of households, and EF refers here expenditure of firms. Okay, expenditure of firms. And last one, EG is equal to expenditure of government. Expenditure of government. So this is the formula in expenditure method. The formula is national income NI is equal to EH plus EF plus EG plus net exports. Okay, where the national NI is equal to national income, whereas EH is equal to expenditure of households, EF is equal to expenditure of firms, and last one EG is equal to expenditure of the government. Okay, this is the formula. So whatever method utilized by the Central Statistical Organization, but answer is same. Okay, the value will be the same. Okay, when the government is follows any of these three methods, okay, the value is will be same, right? If you take any kind of method, so ఏ మెథడ్ తీసుకున్నా వచ్చేటువంటి యొక్క రిజల్ట్ మాత్రం విల్ బి సేమ్. సో ఇక్కడ నోట్ డౌన్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, నోట్ డౌన్ చేసుకున్నాం కదా. మేజర్ మనం చూడాల్సిన అంశాలు ఏంటంటే ముఖ్యంగా మనకి నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్ని కంప్యూట్ చేసేటువంటి ఆర్గనైజేషన్ సెంట్రల్ స్టాటిస్టికల్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. ఫస్ట్ టైం ఈ యొక్క నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్ని కంప్యూట్ చేయడానికి అండ్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా 1949లో ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి నేషనల్ ఎస్టిమేట్స్ కమిటీ ఏర్పాటు చేస్తుంది. అందులో దాని యొక్క చైర్మన్ ఎవరంటే పిసి మహలనబిస్. దాంట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి యొక్క సభ్యులు ఉన్నారు గాడ్గిల్ అండ్ అదేవిధంగా వికేఆర్ వీరావ్. ఓకే, సో వీళ్ళు అప్పటి నుంచి మళ్ళీ తర్వాత 1950s తర్వాత మనకి సెంట్రల్ స్టాటిస్టికల్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అనేటువంటిది ఈ యొక్క నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్ని కంప్యూట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో హియర్ the Indian government is utilizing the two methods to compute the national income. Those are income method and the product method. So here the expenditure method is not taking into consideration to compute the national income of Indian economy. So first method, the product method. Product method is also known as output method, and it is also called as inventory and also called as commodity services method. Okay, in this method, right, we are multiplying the prices with the quantities which are produced in the economy. Okay, just the formula is national income or GNP is equal to P1 Q1 plus P2 Q2 plus up to so on plus PN QN. Okay, plus net income from abroad. And next one, in income method, right, we are adding all the income of the factors of production. How many factors? The 4 factors of production are there: land, labor, and as well as capital organization. Okay, rent, wages plus interest plus profit, right, ఇవన్నీ యాడ్ చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చేటువంటిది నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్. అండ్ లాస్ట్లీ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ మెథడ్. జస్ట్ we are taking the total expenditure in the society, right? Here society is consist of 3 elements: households, firms and the government, right? If we add the expenditure of all these sectors, right, we will get the national income. Expenditure of households, expenditure of firms, expenditure of government plus net exports. So ఈ రకంగా మనం పూర్తిగా ఈ యొక్క థర్డ్ మెథడ్ లో మనం యొక్క నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్ కంప్యూట్ చేద్దాం. సో దిస్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ ద కంప్యూటింగ్ మెథడ్స్ ఆర్ ద క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద నేషనల్ ఇన్కమ్. సో వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ తప్పనిసరిగా ఈ యొక్క వీడియో చూడాల్సిందే. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.